Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some breakfast, but this oven toaster that we bought from Amazon, and it's brand new. So we're about to make some bread, toast bread, and it was plugged. And today's our first day to use this. So when we turn on the knob right here to warm, and there is no lights coming on. There's no lights even you do all the way. And here is the functions like warm, broil, bake, and toast. Nothing, no lights. And this is the timer right here. 1 day, first time used. 1 day, still brand new. And it's already broken. It's not hot. This is a Black&Decker brand. Crazy.